In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not loading images and videos in Telegram. If photos or clips aren't appearing, don't worry, this walkthrough will clear the most common causes quickly and safely. Start by opening the Telegram app. We'll begin with a quick cleanup that often resolves stubborn loading issues. Go to Settings, then Data and Storage, tap Manage Storage and choose Clear All Cache. Cache is just temporary data that helps Telegram load faster. But when it becomes corrupted, it can block new media from downloading. Clearing the cache does not delete your chats or your account, and it won't remove media you've saved to your device's gallery. After the cache is cleared, return to your chats and try opening a photo or video again. Large files may need a moment to re-download the first time you open them, which is normal. Next, make sure Telegram is actually allowed to fetch media automatically. Still in Settings, under Data and Storage, find Automatic Media Download. Turn on Auto Download for both photos and videos, and check the options for Wi-Fi and for mobile data. If you've restricted downloads on mobile to save data, photos and videos might stay stuck until you tap them. If you are often on Wi-Fi, enabling Auto Download there ensures media appears without extra steps. You can fine-tune limits for larger files so you get what you need without surprises. Make sure the categories you use most, like private chats or groups, are enabled so media flows in where you expect it. If you prefer manual control on mobile data, leave videos off there and allow them on Wi-Fi only. If media still won't load, fully restart Telegram. Close the app all the way on most phones, that means swiping it away from the recent apps view, then reopen it. A fresh start clears minor glitches and reconnects to Telegram's servers. Give the app a few seconds after reopening to sync with your conversations before testing a download. While you are at it, check your App Store for updates. New versions include performance improvements and fixes for bugs that can interfere with downloading or playback. Finally, confirm your device has enough free storage space. Telegram needs room to save incoming photos and videos before it can show them. Open your phone's storage settings and look at the available space. If it's nearly full, free up some space by removing files you no longer need or moving items to cloud storage, then return to Telegram and try again. Videos, especially in HD, can consume a lot of space, so even a nearly full device can block a single clip. Once you've created some headroom, Telegram can cache and play media smoothly. After following these steps, clearing the cache, enabling auto download, restarting or updating the app, and verifying storage, most image and video loading problems are resolved. If issues persist, repeat the cache clear and double-check that auto download settings haven't been switched off. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.